Cardi and Cardi, you guys. Sorry, my voice is a little hoarse, but I know you guys want to see the testing video of these guys. I do have a flexing video of them. So yes, this is one I finished earlier. American base, guys. 2x4, 2x4 ohms. And this one is Godzilla 8D4. 8D4. So this boy I down to 2 ohms. That's what I'm going to do now. So that straight is this guys, this is sharp of unit without using the wire stripper. Alright. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. It's my meter here. Alright guys, so that's a 2 ohms right there guys. So you guys can see 2 ohms, alright? So the wire down to 2 ohms. So now I'm gonna do a little flexing with it guys. So you guys can see. Yeah, these gonna need a lot of braking guys because Jesus, that's the way they were, so they still messed up. Alright, let me always be cautious guys. So you know what I'm doing here? Gonna put that little tape on the positive lead. Could put it on the negative too, but choose the positive lead. Alright, so let's do some audio. Use this. Alright. Yeah. Look at that guys. Come on now, it's at 33 ohms guys, 33 ohms. Alright, it's at 33 ohms. Let me take it down to that's 39. And that's 30. Hold on. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna put it like 20. 29 hertz right here. Look at that thing guys. This is the man so what I do. Oh yeah. That's more clear guys right there. Breaking it a bit, guys. I'm breaking it and Wow. 25 hertz. Yeah, that's 25 hertz. That's 47 hertz. That's 40 hertz. That's 35 hertz. Alright guys, that's it for now, and thank you guys for watching my videos and everything. That's it for now.